Why you need Flux MaxI Interior for car interior cleaning. Here's the details. Flux MaxI Interior is a multi-purpose cleaning formula specifically for interior, with a formula that has been adapted to the advantage of being 3 times more aggressive to clean all stains, contaminants, residues, spots, fingerprints, accumulated dust, dirty and more. It is multi-purpose. In formula can be used to clean stains and dirt on all materials in the cabin, interior. Flux MaxI Interior is used to treat paint defects, water spots and other bad contamination. Here is how to use Flux MaxI Interior. First, spray directly onto dirt areas. Second, wipe immediately with clean soft cloth. Lastly, start wiping off with Merco fiber.
Visit Premio Malaysia for more info.